Hey everybody, we're going to talk about scientific notation today. Something you may have done before, maybe not, something new. So we're going to look at it today. So when you get into Schoology today, you're going to click into the CBE Introduction and Measurement. I have two things for you today. One is called Scientific Notation Problems. Actually, let me move that here. Scientific notation problems and a scientific notation puzzle. So when you open up the scientific notation problems, you're going to look at this. Now, we'll tell you that there are some really big numbers out there and some really small numbers out there. So if there's about 7 billion people in the world, it's a big number. So what scientists do is they write it into this thing called scientific notation. That's what we're going to do today. If you look at a number like the mass of the electron down here, it's a really small number, really small. So then they write it like that. All right, so that's what we're going to do today. And so what did I say? Okay, kids, there's a very crazy number. What if you had to write or type that number several times? Crazy. So this is called scientific notation. So when you click on the activity for the day, you're going to notice this handwriting thing that I did, and this is what you're going to do. If you have a number like, here's a decimal point, right? 34000. What you're going to do is find a number between 1 and 10, and it usually looks like this. It's usually 3.4, 5.6. It's going to be, you're going to move the decimal place so you have a whole number before the decimal point. So 34,000 is the decimal point is going to go right there between the 3 and the 4. So then you're going to move it 1 to the left, 2 to the left, 3 to the left, 4 to the left, and then you're going to write 3.4 because it'd be right there. 3.4 times 10, and then you're going to put a 4 to the 4th. All right, if you have a point and a really small number and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, find the two numbers here, put the decimal point here, and then you count over. 1 to the right, 2 to the right, 3 to the right, 4 to the right, 5 to the right, 6 to the right, 7 to the right, and then you write 5.6 times 10 to the minus 7th. And that's all there is to it. So I got a couple videos down here that you can watch for some further explanation if you'd want. And then I'm going to have you complete this table. So if I was to do 1001, what I'm going to do is put the decimal place right here after the 1, and then you're going to go 1 to the left, 2 to the left, 3 to the left, and you're going to write 1.001, and then you got to do times, I'm going to put an X there, times 10, and then on my computer, which is an iMac, I can hit Command period, and it'll give me a teeny little number, and that would be, I moved the decimal place 1, 2, 3 places to the 3, and then if you hit the Command period again, then you can write another number that's normal. All right, that's basically it. So what we're going to do there is do that for those, and then at the bottom I have the opposite going on where I have those written out, and you're going to write the numbers out. If this is 1.29 times 10 to the 3, then you got to move the decimal place to the right. You got to move it back, right? So you're going to have to go, so if I move it once, it'd be 19. 2 times will be 192, but they're asking for 192, and then they want one more to the 3, so then you're going to have to add 1 0, and you have 1920. All right. I hope I made that clear. So that's what I want you to do today, and then when you finish, I have this scientific notation puzzle, and here's something new for you. When you click on that, you're going to see this in Schoology, and then you're going to hit this open assignment with Cami. And what Cami does is allows you to draw. And so what I'm going to do is, let's see, that looks like this, right? And then what you're going to do is click over on the left. You can use drawing, some kind of thing there. And then what you're going to do is go to the start and see if you figure out this puzzle. If I have 7200 and you're going to click on there like a color, I start with green here, then you're going to draw down on your thing. You can erase too. You can hit the eraser and do that too. So if I'm here, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is my number. 7.2 times 10 to the 8th. So I'm going to go down in this direction and start the puzzle. And that's basically it. Hope you guys have a great day.